Acquire phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for phrasal verbs with eat. Eat out means to eat away from home, usually in a restaurant. For example, Angela doesn't cook, so she eats out all the time. Eat in means the opposite, to eat at home. For example, Darren is trying to save money by eating in. Eat up means to eat all of something. For example, the mother told her son to eat up his vegetables. Eat up and eat into can also mean to use large amounts of something, like money, time, energy, or fuel. For example, Mike loves his car, but it eats up gas. Zoey's trip around the world is eating into her savings. Eat up can also mean to want to hear or see more of something. For example, there are many superhero movies being made because people are eating them up. Eat away at something means to slowly damage or reduce. For example, the wind and rain is eating away at the rocks. Charlie's gambling habit was eating away at his income. Eat away at somebody means to worry. For example, the thought of losing his job was eating away at him. Now you try. Which one is the correct answer? A. There are many places to eat up in the city. B. There are many places to eat into in the city. C. There are many places to eat out in the city. And the answer is C. There are many places to eat out in the city. Which one is the correct answer? A. Nick loves video games, but they eat in his time. B. Nick loves video games, but they eat up his time. C. Nick loves video games, but they eat out his time. And the answer is B. Nick loves video games, but they eat up his time. Give it a go. Try making a sentence with a phrasal verb with eat and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. For more videos, please check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and follow it. Thank you.